Hi, guys! Feeling stressed, tired, or unmotivated? Grab your bay and take a reset weekend just off the southern coast of Georgia to Jekyll Island Resort. Before you overthink it, no flight time is required for this reset weekend. All you need is a comfortable SUV, a full tank of gas, and the patience of Job to sit back for a 3.5 hour road trip. We drove in from Atlanta, which usually always has traffic, so don't forget to factor in an additional 45 minutes into your commute. As we entered the gates, we were immediately reminded that we were not in the city anymore. The live oaks were draped in moss, the beautiful landscape scenery, wildlife like sea turtles, crabs, all sorts of birds, beaches, and golf courses all reminded me of my home island, Abaco. The island has just one access on and one access off. And due to the exclusivity of this 5,500-acre resort, day passers are charged a small vehicle entrance fee, which expires at midnight. This coastal haven was the perfect escape for our reset weekend, soon to be filled with peace and serenity. We were eager to kick off our shoes and get some coastal sand between our toes, with 10 miles of beautiful beaches to take a romantic stroll on, to watch the sunrise each morning, and 20 miles of bike trails to pedal our way through after a moonlit dinner of endless seafood choices and live music over the water. This is now one of our go-to places for peace and quiet. The sunrise and moonlit beach walks, in our opinion, is what made this resort a hidden gem. Our goal was not to socialize much, but to relax in each other's company. No usual daily routine, with limited internet access. Cell service isn't the best here, but that was one of the best parts.